welcome back to Code and Communicate with Clutter. Today let me start with a very hard truth. Most Python projects do not help you get hired. Not because Python is bad, not because companies are unfair, but because most projects are copied from tutorials. Maybe it's too basic or poorly explained. So, if you are building a project and still not getting into the call, this video will completely change your how you approach projects. Okay, so first of all we will move with the myths, right? So the danger myth in tech is the more project I build, the better my chances. That's wrong. Recruiter don't count project, they count evaluate project. One strong well explained project beats 10 weak copy pasted project. So today I will show you what recruiters actually look for, how to choose the right Python project and how to present them so you stand out. So basically what companies really looking is in your project, they ask three main questions. What problem does this solve? Did you actually understand what you built? And can you explain it clearly? So they are not asking, did you use fancy libraries? Did you follow little tutorial? But they want to see thinking, logic, and communication. So that is where most candidates fail. Now we will see the types of Python project that will help you to get hired. Okay, so first type is data analysis project. So these are gold, like data analysis, customer churn analysis, student performance analysis. And why they work? Because they show real world thinking, they connect Python to business problem, and the key rule is always include insight, not just the code. Okay. Now the second type is the automation of project, simply, but it's very powerful, like automating Excel report, file organization script, email or report automation. And why mainly recruiters like them? Because they show practical problem solving and they show efficiency mindset, right? And the third type is small AI in enhanced project, like not very deep learning, just keep it simple. For example, AI-powered data cleaner, ChatGPT assisted analysis tool, or basic machine learning prediction project. Okay, so uh, you're basically in all these, you're not trying to show your AI mastery, but you're trying to showing that you can use tools intelligently, right? Now, what is a perfect project structure? So every Python project you show should follow problem statement, what problem you're solving, data set, or you can say the input explanation, where did the data come from, approach, why did you choose this step, code implementation, clean, readable, commented code, result and insight, what did you learn, and the conclusion, how would this help real company. Okay, so if your project doesn't have this structure, it's not the interview ready basically, right? Now how to explain project in interview, right? So it's a very secret weapon, I can say, because most candidates say I use pandas, numpy, and matplotlib, right? The answer is very bad. A good answer sounds like the goal of my project was to identify why customer churn was increasing. I cleaned the data, analyzed pattern, and found that customer wait delay leaving more often. So this is the difference, right? Now the focus is on the problem, the decision, and the outcome, not the tools we have used. Okay, and what are the common mistakes we make that we should always avoid? Copying project without understanding, building calculator or maybe to do apps, no readme file, no explanation of result, too many unfinished project. So quality always matters, right? So if you want to get hard with Python, don't ask how many projects should I build. Ask, can I explain the project confidently to a recruiter? So if the answer is yes, you are on the right path. So if you want a clear roadmap to learn Python properly or to build job ready projects to prepare for interview, you can comment a roadmap, or you can also check the link in the description. And also remember to subscribe the channel for weekly Python AI and career guidance. Thank you very much.